Hi everyone, welcome back to Geodo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 4G mobile phone. This device is also known as Poco M3 and Redmi Power in some regions. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port using a picker and point head. Insert the picker and by using a plastic car pry tool or picker, gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Be gentle while taking out the back cover. The touch ID button flex, hold the back cover with the logic board. Next, hold the back cover and take out the logic board frame by undoing screws. Undo 10 screws, lift the protector cover using a pry tool and then disconnect the battery and touch ID sensor plug. Now the back cover can leave from the body. Next, take out the battery by loosening the adhesive. First, loosen the adhesive on both sides and then pull it by the tab. Be gentle and lift the battery. Next, replace a new battery and place it on the body. Paste the adhesives back and connect the Touch ID and battery plug into the logic board. Next, add the logic board frame by adding 10 screws. Finally, place the back cover and secure the clips, and then add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.